My name is David Welch. Today I'm at Brothers Tech Center and we're going to swap out our steering wheel here. We've got our billet steering wheel and it looks good and everything, but you get tired of looks after a while and we just want to look at something else while we're driving down the road. So I'm going to be taking off this steering wheel and putting a new one on. Let's take a look and see what kind of choices we've got. Let's take a look at what kind of different choices we've got in steering wheels for our square bodies, Chevy or GMC. Now, 78 to 87 steering wheels look like this right here. You had your deluxe. You can tell because we've got the stitching right here on both sides and the horn button's a little bit smaller. Of course, we got Chevy too. Here you can see on the standard model, it's a larger horn button, and of course we've got Chevy for that too. Just nice basic if we're going to go for an original look. Now they don't have the 73 to 77 quite yet, but you can see that the deluxe 78 to 87 looks pretty similar, so you could probably put this wheel on and nobody's really going to know the difference. If you still got a good 73 to 77 wheel though, we're making the horn buttons for those now. So if the wheel's in pretty good shape, you can just pop one of these guys on and you're going to be looking pretty brand new right off the bat. When you're doing something like this, make sure that you get your peripherals at the same time. Your gear selector, your turn signals, your horn button right here. This goes bad pretty often. The contacts on the back here and such. When you're taking the truck apart and putting it back together, these get lost all the time. So make sure you check out your big picture and get everything all at one time so you can get it installed and on the road as fast as possible. I'm gonna go ahead and install one of these wheels here and then we'll go for a ride, so stay tuned. So you can see that in no time at all you can change the look of your truck. You can see this just kind of fits nicer with the overall theme and everything blends in nice. So be sure you go to our website and check out all the different choices you've got in steering wheels and miscellaneous other stuff for your interior. Pick out the thing that looks just right for your time machine and you'll be on the road looking good. My name's David Welch. I'm at Brothers Tech Center every single Tuesday, so you better be here too. Subscribe and check us out on Facebook and Instagram because we're there too. I'll see you on the road, man.